Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3, at the first you have to go for the settings, find sound and vibration, and at the first we can change sound mode. We can change between sound, vibrate or mute. When you are in the sound mode, we can also activate vibration on phone calls. We can change ringtone, notification and system sound. Let's make it, for example, for the system sounds. Here we can change volume level of ringtone, media, notifications and the system. We can also change vibration pattern of our vibration. We can change notification vibration pattern. We can set up vibration intensity for the touch interaction, notifications and incoming call. Here we can change system sound and vibration control by tapping on the switchers. We can turn on or turn off a lot of options. As you can see, for example, screen lock or charging sound. And here we can also find sound quality and effects like Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos for the gaming, so we can enable it by tapping on the switcher. You can also find here the equalizer, and below you can find the adapt sound. So here we got the view profiles under 13, between 13 and 60 and over 60, and of course you can also customize them like you want. And the last option, we can find the separate app sound. So when you turn it on, you can pick application, for example the YouTube, and right now when you are going to play YouTube on the Bluetooth device, you will play YouTube only on the YouTube device. So on the Bluetooth device, sorry guys, I just misspelled. So basically that's all sound settings that you can find in the smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.